Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable responsive resize in Adobe XD. Responsive resize automatically adjusts the size and position of objects in your layout when an artboard or group is resized. It helps your design adapt smoothly to different screen sizes, saving you from manually moving each layer and keeping spacing consistent. Start by opening Adobe XD and loading the project you want to work on. You can follow along with any existing layout. Buttons, images, text, and cards all work. The feature is applied to what you have selected, so it's helpful to have the main section of your design visible on the canvas. Next, select your design elements. The quickest way is to select everything on the artboard. Press Ctrl+A if you're on Windows or Command+A on a Mac. If you prefer, use the mouse to drag a marquee selection across the canvas and highlight the items you want included. Selecting all ensures the feature can understand the relationships between items like margins, padding, and alignment. With your elements selected, look to the right side of the screen to find the Property Inspector, the panel that shows size, position, appearance, and layout options. In this panel, locate the section labeled Responsive Resize. If you don't see it, double-check that you still have objects selected. The controls appear only when something is active on the canvas. Turn Responsive Resize on by clicking the toggle. When enabled, XD analyzes your selection and infers how items should behave as their container changes. It tries to preserve distances between objects, maintain edge pinning, and keep groups proportionate. This is especially useful for components and repeating sections that need to scale for tablet or mobile versions. If parts of your layout move unexpectedly, consider grouping related items first or simplifying the selection so XD can read the structure more clearly. You can always toggle the feature off to compare results, then turn it back on once you're happy. Remember that the toggle applies to your current selection, not the entire document. If you switch to another group or a different artboard later, select those elements and review the responsive resize setting there as well to keep behavior consistent. That's it. You've enabled responsive resize for your selection in Adobe XD. Open your project, select your design, find responsive resize in the right panel, and switch it on. With this setting active, adapting your layout across screen sizes becomes faster, cleaner, and more predictable. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.